Hey, what's up guys? Going to run this Craftsman tool set for Tony. 10 spots, 20 bucks a spot. Grab our list and copy. We are live. The time is 4:02 p.m. here on the East Coast. Drop you guys in. 2 dice, must be a 5 or higher. And we got an 8, 402, 28, 402, 31. Going 8 times. 402, 34, 10 items. Good luck. After 7, we got Jamie on top, Rick on the bottom. Dice is an 8. Still 402. I'll give it a couple of seconds to get to 403. 403, we've been 7 times. This is the one that counts. Good luck. And Jamie stays on top, spot 10. 8 times, 8 times, 403, 403. We are done. Get your info to Tony and he will get that out to you. Congrats.